Measure your air filter for the exact size and compare it to our actual size to ensure proper fit. Ideal for high-efficiency air filtration and will help those with moderate allergies and asthma. Nordic Pure MERV 12 is equivalent to MPR 1500 to 1900. Made in the USA. Nordic Pure MERV 12 pleated AC furnace air filters provide exceptional filtration for both home and commercial environments. MERV 12 furnace filters are comparable to HVAC filters with a rating of MPR 1500 to 1900. Nordic Pure furnace air filters are manufactured using a heavy-duty, moisture-resistant beverage board frame. As with all Nordic Pure furnace air filters, the material is electrostatically charged to attract unwanted particles. The media used will not promote the growth of bacteria or mold on the air filter. For fresh, clean air in your home and office, it is important to regularly change your AC filter, especially during home improvements. We recommend changing your HVAC furnace filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on your unique home or office environment. People with pets or those who suffer from allergies should change their AC air filters more often. Replacing your air filter regularly not only improves indoor air quality, it helps your HVAC unit perform more efficiently. Important note: almost all air condition filters have a different actual size than nominal size printed on the air conditioning filter. It is best to measure the exact size of your AC filter and compare it to our actual size to be sure your HVAC replacement filter fits. Top reviews from the United States. Fits our odd-sized vents at a reasonable price. These work well and even seem to handle smoke. Our unusual size needs make finding filters tedious. We really like the fact that they arrive in a sturdy box at the door.